Jesus Christ cannot die if he was not born. Is someone listening to me? He cannot die if he was not born. And number two, you cannot celebrate his death if you don't celebrate his birth. In fact, I will say, if you get it wrong with his birth, you will spectacularly get it wrong with his death. Because the man that hung on the tree was the son that was born a couple of years before. So if you don't understand who was born, if you think that is just another man, if you think that is just another prophet, if you think that is just another teacher that was born, another child that was born, then you will not understand what was happening on that cross. So if you really don't understand his birth, you cannot really understand his death.